am at Best Buy, and as you can see, they have the Motorola Razr Foldable here to play around with. It's the demo device. You can see the back. Yeah, that is nice looking. Look at those cameras, man. That island is just chiseled to perfection. It's not a huge bump. Got the AI key, volume rocker, power button, fingerprint reader. USB Type-C charging port, mic, speaker. Speaker up top. Mics. Got the Razr logo on the back there. Look at that pattern. That texture is nice. Wow. That is really, really nice. There's all the apps. It's not a lot of apps. It's basically stock Android. Yeah, I'm digging it. I am digging it. Let's go over to YouTube. I don't know why it doesn't have internet connection. Oh wait, here we go. I go into the settings. It's your basic setup there. Display. Where's display? Okay. Dark theme. Screen timeout. Okay, that's blocked. Okay, let's go back out. Yeah, I'm not used to using those on-screen buttons. So let's see if we can get into YouTube. So I was able to go in and get YouTube going. Got some free non-copyright music here from KV. Great channel, great and amazing artist here. The creativity from KV is amazing. I'm super stoked to know him more on a personal level and being able to use his music on my channel. When you do use his music, if you choose to do so, if for whatever reason, just make sure you put his information in your description area of your video. Okay, well, see if I can get out of there. Turned on gestures. That's the basic look of the Motorola Razr Foldable 2026. This is the black and blue, I think is what the color is. But yeah, that's a nice looking camera island there. Can't wait to take some pictures, shoot some video, and just give you my overall experience and share that with you here on the channel. So please follow me. I should be getting my own here pretty soon, so stay tuned for a lot more here on Team My Project 13. And I gotta tell you, it is thin, folks. It is real thin. Even that camera island is built to perfection there, and it doesn't add a whole heck of a lot. But it is definitely thin. It's about as thin as my Z Fold 7. So, all right, I'm out.